This is my 2022 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Love this, absolutely love this bike, love this color. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, show you some the mods I've done so far, mostly aesthetic. I haven't really started doing any performance mods. That's coming, so stay tuned for that. Forgive me if it's windy out, sorry about that if you can hear that noise. So we'll start in the back. I did do the TST Industries fender eliminator with a smoke tail light through the license plate light on there as well. Rear spools. The Kaufman's exhaust, took that big ass exhaust off. Heavy ass exhaust. I think the Kaufman sounds good and looks good for the most part. I did notice that this screw did pop out just while riding, so I've got shouldn't be bad. I just gotta stick another screw in there. Took the rear pegs off, put the block off plates on there. I think I'm gonna plastic dip these or swap them for some black ones if I can find them. I think that's the only thing that just doesn't look right. Let's see what else we got. Threw the stump grip, tank pads on. Threw a few stickers on the tank as well. Got some crash protection. Don't really need those, but you never know. Of course, I've got the ram mount. The Atlas throttle lock is pretty cool. I just put it on for like when I need to rest my wrist for a second. You can lock that throttle in place. That was really easy to install, by the way. They sent me the wrong color. It's supposed to be black, but I just said whatever. Kept it. I think, maybe I'm just crazy, but I think I'm leaving the long levers on. Kind of like the long levers. I know everybody puts shorties on their bikes, but I'm gonna keep them long. I did the smoked turn signal also from TST Industries. I think that looks really good. Coming around to the front, of course I threw the smoked Puig windscreen on, and I took the mirrors off. I think all sport bikes look better without the mirrors, so I took those off. I did put a bar end mirror on the clutch side just to have something. I think that's important. I mean, if you're gonna take your mirrors off, at least be like a really experienced rider, which I don't really consider myself just yet. What else we got? That's pretty much it. Like I say, everything I've done so far is pretty much aesthetic mods. I'll get into maybe a full exhaust system soon, maybe not, but I'm definitely gonna probably get it tuned and put a different air filter on, do a couple of performance mods. Let me turn it on, let you hear it. It's a warm start too. I've been riding. Again, I think it sounds really good. It does pop when you ride, and this is all stock, so I'm excited to see what a tune will look and sound like. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's my 2022 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Tell me what you think in the comments.